Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Power BI Desktop and loading the 2 pages you want to connect. First, pick a linking method: bookmark for view state, page navigation button for simple jumps, or drill through to pass a record context. Once chosen, make sure common fields or filters exist so context flows predictably. Create any supporting visuals or slicers now. This reduces rework. You act fast here because the right method determines how you preserve filters, selection, and user expectations across pages. Now implement the actual link. If you use a button, set action to page navigation and pick the target. Style the button so users recognize it. If using bookmarks, capture the exact visual and filter state, then assign the bookmark to a button or visual. This preserves layout and slicers. For drill through, drop the key field into the drill-through pane on the target page and test by right-clicking a row on the source. Make sure to test passing filters and selection. This is where context continuity matters most. Finish by testing every path. Click the button, use bookmarks, try drill-through from several rows, and simulate mobile. Publish to the Power BI service and repeat tests there because web behavior can differ. If filters do not persist, make sure slicers are synced across pages or apply page-level filters on the target. This is the most common fix. Finally, adjust visuals or interactions based on observed user flow and retest to ensure consistent context and smooth navigation for your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.